different bunch of actors, man, एक से बढ़कर एक, आप पूरा सीन देख लो, and that is the reason why we thought अगर performance consistently, अक्सर होता क्या है when we get into these genre films ना, तो हम गिमिक्स विमिक्स में, डराने के चक्कर में, जंप स्केयर, दिस दैट एंड द अदर, उसमें घुस जाते हैं. बट व्हेन यू हैव सच ब्रिलियंट एक्टर्स एंड ईच सीन, आई एम टेलिंग यू, ईच सीन, मतलब मन तो कर रहा था कि पूरा पिक्चर ही दिखा दूं अभी. ठीक है, देख लो जहाँ तक मर्जी है, देख लो, 15 मिनट दिखा देते हैं. ठीक है, so when you have such brilliant actors and when the visuals have been created so brilliantly by Abhinav, what brilliant visuals, Abhinav, what lovely, and Shupratim, where are you? Shupratim, yeah, our cinematographer, visuals देख के पता चल गया होगा. Yeah. What lovely visuals, such sound design. Look at the musicians we have here. Suchita, Karan, where are you, Karan? Center back there. Okay. So Karan and Rahi is missing right now. He's in Kashmir. मजा ले रहा है वहाँ पे. तो when you have such brilliant team, everything, the sound design, everything, you know, is so brilliant कि मन कर रहा था कि you know, sorry, you asked me about actors, right? Yeah, they are brilliant. Thank you. इन भूतों से परिचय कराया मुझे करुण पुंचे ने. करुण, where are you? There. So I wasn't aware of this concept of Panchak, right? And Karun introduced me to this world of Panchak. And when I started reading more and more about it, and when I found the reference in Gadur Puran, and if you read what is written there about what happens when death happens during Panchak, it's very scary. Right? It's extremely scary. It unnerves you completely. Right? And that's when we thought that there lies a brilliant gem of an idea. Right? And it's rooted in our tradition, in our practice. हजारों सालों से लोग मानते आ रहे हैं. So much so it may not be Panchak, but I'll tell you something. Bhishma Pitama, when he was lying on this bed of arrows, despite the fact that he had Ichha Mrityu as a boon, right? And he was lying there for 58 days, right? Bleeding, maybe God knows how much pain he must have been in trying to be like that, right? And he lay there like that. One of the reasons, and I read about it in the Mahabharata, there is a quote there which says that, you know, it's in our belief system, you know, we don't attain moksha, we don't get moksha if the time is not perfect, if the time is not right. And imagine this is all because of alignment of 5 nakshatras, right? And today is the last day of Panchak, by the way, for the month of August. So it's a very sort of, right now the time is good. So we've picked up a good muhurat so that you are all safe. Yeah, trust me. And when I looked up that today is the last day of Panchak, and I looked up the timings, the evil time is also kind of approaching. What's the time right now? Yeah, so it's going to be now, knocking very soon, right? But we are all in good company, so I'm sure we'll be safe here. I have to mention, you know, it takes courage. Making films in India today independently is extremely tough. बहुत मुश्किल है पिक्चर बनाना, ऊपर से रिलीज करना. Now that has only been possible. He's not here today. He's doing something that will help us make more movies tomorrow. He's probably right now making more money. Yeah. So my friend, my partner, the producer Vinay Reddy, he's right now attending an AGM because of which he could not attend. But it takes balls of steel to be able to, you know, to be able to back a project like this, to believe in a story. And he believed in the story and he said, I'm going ahead. We want to be doing this film. So that is what we have. We have Taruna, if she wants to represent Vinay. So Taruna is a director of our company. She's here. Thank you so much. And Vinay would be very happy to know that you all, and I think I'll tell him that you all love the trailer. Yeah. Yeah.
फिल्म मेकिंग मुझे लगता है जब तक कुछ ट्विस्ट ना हो ना तो मज़ा नहीं आता है। तो जो इतना प्यारा कपल है उसके साथ कुछ ट्विस्ट ना हो, टर्न ना हो, तो फिर मज़ा नहीं आएगा ना ऑडियंस को। लगना चाहिए, थोड़ा झटका लगना चाहिए, थोड़ा धक्का लगना चाहिए। सो या स्टोरी वैसी थी कि एक कपल किस तरह से इन सिचुएशंस में फंस के और फिर किस तरह से निकल सकता है। दैट इज़ आवर वेडिंग स्टोरी। बिकॉज या सो एक वेडिंग भी उसी तरह होती है। सो आई थिंक एक फिल्म होती है, उसकी जो स्टोरी होती है उसके हिसाब से उसका ट्रीटमेंट और जॉनरा डिसाइड होता है। सो द स्टोरी इज़ सो पावरफुल, ठीक है। तो मुझे लगता है जॉनरा इसका बैकबोन है, हॉरर इज़ द बैकबोन, बट द स्टोरी इज़ सो पावरफुल। मुझे लगता है कि इंटेंस हॉरर हमेशा वर्क करता है अगर उसे अच्छे से बनाया जाए। शैतान इज़ द एग्जाम्पल, ठीक है। तो ये कुछ उस तरह का है, और एक इंटेंस हॉरर का एक सर्टेन ऑडियंस है, और मुझे लगता है उन लोग ये फिल्म के लिए मतलब टूट पड़ेंगे। या सो द स्टोरी कंप्लीटली, मतलब अगर एक फिल्म मेकर कोई भी फिल्म बनाने के लिए रेडी होता है तो उसके पीछे स्टोरी सबसे बड़ा मोटिवेशन होता है। एंड व्हेन आई मेट शुभोदा फर्स्ट टाइम एंड ही टोल्ड मी, एज यू मेंशन कि हम पिछले इवेंट पे जब कुछ और कर रहे थे तो वो थोड़ा ड्रामा कॉमेडी था, सो वैसी चीज़ें आ रही थी बट मुझे करना नहीं था। सो व्हेन आई मेट हिम एंड ही टोल्ड मी कि दिस स्टोरी इज़ बेस्ड ऑन पंचक एंड दिस इज़ हॉरर और ये सारी चीज़ें, तो मुझे भी नहीं पता था। देन आई टोल्ड हिम कि गिव मी 1-2 days का टाइम बिकॉज आई डोंट नो अबाउट दिस थिंग। मैंने जब पूरा पढ़ा देन आई वाज लाइक कि ये जो चीज़ है पंचक, ये इतना ज़्यादा टॉक अबाउट थिंग है। मतलब गूगल खोल के मैंने देखा, सो देर आर आर्टिकल्स ऑन गूगल जो कि फिल्ड अप है गूगल इससे, 5 of a family died mysteriously. So I was like, the topic is very universal, so why not? And story is so powerful, screenplay was so powerful. तो फिर उसके बाद कास्ट, मतलब these actors are actually handpicked. Lakshveer, Akshay sir, Vaibhav, Mukti, and whoever, Monica, like whoever is part of the film. अगर आप देखोगे कि एक सीन में भी किसी ने परफॉर्म किया है ना तो ब्रिलियंट है, मतलब आप भूल नहीं पाओगे उसे। द क्रेमेटोरियम अटेंडेंट वॉज देयर फॉर 3 scenes, बट आप भूल नहीं सकते उसका चेहरा जब आप फिल्म देखते हो उसके बाद में। एंड एज ज़्यादा मेंशन कि इतनी बढ़िया टीम थी, तो एक फिल्म के पीछे का बैकबोन होता है उसकी टीम। डायरेक्टर तो सिर्फ ऐसे ही साथ साथ चल रहा होता है, बट सबने अपना आई थिंक 200% दिया। लाइक सुप्रतिम, और मैं जितने भी नाम लूँ वो कम हैं, सबने अपना 200% दिया। 30 days इन देहरादून, आई थिंक द मोस्ट फन 30 days.
So actually, I feel I have a lot of gratitude for Shubhoda and Avinav because very honestly, मैं जब सुना था horror film है, मैंने ना कर दिया था नहीं करना है करके, because I don't like watching horror films. And that's what Avinav told me, that's the reason why we thought that, Supratim, you should come on board, because I think you will make it some difference to the film. And I guess it's up to the audience now who will feel that how different it is, and in terms of a film, in terms of other horror films that we get to watch, and what is the difference with a wedding story. So yeah, that way I think Avinav, Shobhoda, and we all as a team have come up really well. As Avinav was saying, 30 days we had lot of, night shifts, day shifts, and it was chilling cold. And I know cold is good in mountains, but when you're working, it's not. So you realize those chilling nights, how difficult it is to work throughout the night. But at the end of the day, it's a film doesn't lie with us right now. It will get released and it will lie with the audience. And I'm sure that everybody who has performed here, they have just given their best. Beat anyone. I can't. It's like everybody sitting out here, Monica se leke Mukti and everyone. So I believe it is a team performance which is there on the screen, and I believe people are going to love it.
First of all, the experience was really great. जैसे अभिनव सर ने कहा कि we were shooting for 30-35 days in Dehradun, and वो शहर से भी मोहब्बत हो गई, and the lovely cast and crew. It was like a family, and when I say that it was like a family, I genuinely mean it. और बाकी सबने तो बहुत बताया कि एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था. It's exactly like I second that thought. मैं एक ज़रूर कहना चाहूँगा कि जब जॉनरा आता है तो मेरा रुझान ज़्यादा हमेशा रोमांटिक या फिर ड्रामा की ओर रहता था रादर दैन हॉरर. तो जब पहली दफ़ा मैं मिलने आया था शुभदा से एंड व्हेन आई हर्ड द स्टोरी ऑनेस्टली आई वाज लाइक एज एन ऑडियंस मेरे लिए क्या है इसमें, लाइक विल आई गो. बट ऑनेस्टली दिस इज़ फॉर ऑल द पीपल जो जिनका हॉरर जॉनरा इज़ नॉट द फेवरेट जॉनरा, बट दिस फिल्म इज़ I feel it's a wonderful combination of romance, drama, and at the backdrop उसका है पंचक. So I feel जिनका रुझान हॉरर मूवीज़ की ओर नहीं है वो वेडिंग स्टोरी देख के ज़रूर एंजॉय करेंगे, बिकॉज there's a beautiful love story, there's a beautiful family, and all these beautiful things are involved. So definitely please come at the theaters, and I'm sure that you will like the movie on 30th of August. Thank you.
Okay. So I'll honestly tell you, this is my debut. I think एक कलाकार को बनने में, एक परफॉर्मर को बनने में जितना टाइम लगे ना वो बहुत अच्छा है. The first day, I remember the call that I received from Abhinav sir, and he actually saw my performance during the editing of Thar, and he was like, she's not just a dancer, she can act also. And wherever I used to go, I used to say that मैं acting भी करती हूँ, please मैं audition देना चाहती हूँ. I used to tell every director, like all the directors that I look up to, and whatever opportunities that you get, you know, I'm so grateful that he saw something, and that is the reason I'm standing here today. And Shubhoda, I don't know what to say. He is one man army. He knows the music, he knows the characters, he knows what and how he wants things to unfold in front of the audience. And I think when people walk with like a very, very clear thought, and they are certain about how they want the movie to be and the story to be, I was like, I'll do anything. You just tell me when to come on set and I'm going to be ready. You want me to jump from somewhere, you want me to cry, you want me to be cheerful. And I surrendered to this process only because of Abhinav sir and Shubhoda. And no matter what you do, I don't think actors can say that, you know, that we are running the show or we are the hero or we are the heroine. It takes a lot for the entire team to frame you, to light you, for the co-actors to give you that emotion. And I think this is a dream team that we all have worked like a family, been like a family, and we really chilled together and really felt the drama of the wedding. And I'm really grateful right now, and I'm so excited to see the entire film and everyone's reaction.
Actually, the reason for saying yes to this movie was that when I was called by Abhinav to the office to get a narration for the idea in the film, when I landed up over there, I met Shubho sir for the first time.
Right.
And when he was narrating this whole idea to me, I did not believe it. मेरा पहला reaction ये था, ऐसा नहीं होता है यार. But I do have a very close astrologer friend of mine, and I would like to mention this, that stars and astrology does make a big difference in our lives. The position of the stars at the time you're born will determine your destiny. And I'd like to say that with all authority because I've experienced it. So when Shubhoda, narrated the whole thing to me, I went to my astrologer friend and I called him up. His name is Vimal, and I said, Vimal भाई ऐसा मैंने सुना यार पंचक में. हाँ होता है यार, वो पुतलियाँ बनानी पड़ती हैं 5 और उनमें जान डालनी पड़ती है, और जब तक उनको जलाया नहीं जाता है पूरे खानदान के लोग कम से कम 5 लोग मर जाते हैं. I got very interested by that whole thing, very intrigued. And I called up Abhinav sir and I told him, I said, I am doing this film hands down and I want to be part of this film for whatever reasons. And one of the main reasons is this, that I want to be part of showing the audience what it is to experience something like Panchak in your lives. And I think that it's been a great endeavor of the direction team, the writing team, the actors and everybody. We put in 100% to bring to the audience and show them what exactly can happen with a certain kind of situation in your life when something like this happens, how you could react or what could happen to you. You could either destroy yourself or you could come out of it. The culprit, of course, being Lakshveer, Without him, I don't think this movie would have been possible. He's basically the Sutradhar. And he's all the actors, I mean, including him and all of us, we put in 100% and we're expecting that the audience will like the film.
कोई डिफरेंस नहीं आता
नहीं?
वहाँ पे किल किया है यहाँ पे भी किल कर देंगे
Oi, oi. This is the confidence that we are talking about. Lovely.
नो वेरी ऑनेस्टली ये फिल्म जब मैं साइन करने गई थी जब मैं पहली बार शुभोदा से और अभिनव सर से मिलने गई थी मैं देख के इनसे मिलके ही मुझे लगा था यार ये तो मज़ेदार होने वाला है ये तो बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस होने वाला है ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट मुझे भी नहीं पता था पंचक होता क्या है फिर इन्होंने बोला मैंने बोला ये सच में होता है क्या सर मतलब क्या मैं तो हॉरर बहुत देखती हूँ रोज़ रात को देख के सोती हूँ तो आई वाज लाइक यू नो इज इट स्कैरी इज इट नॉट स्कैरी व्हाट्स गोइंग टू हैपन तो उन्होंने बोला आप गूगल करो अभी इसी वक्त और मैंने उसी वक्त गूगल खोला है और मैं बहुत डर गई बिकॉज if you google right now what happens if somebody dies in Panchak you will find numerous articles where people say कि 5 लोग family के मर गए if you don't do that तो that got me convinced and that got me also interested क्योंकि ऐसा पहले कभी कुछ बना नहीं है and that's why I'm a part of this film and shooting it was a wonderful experience blockbuster cast के बाद एक बहुत talented team of actors के साथ मैं काम कर रही हूँ so it's amazing and let's see
सर मेरे लिए तो I mean यहाँ तो everyone has done a lot of work and I'm just beginning and मेरे लिए I think this was one of the first projects where the director and producers called me in the office met me and said we want you to do it मतलब मैं तो अभी तक auditions दे के मेरे को काम मिल रहा था तो अभी पहली बार हुआ किसी ने बोला कि बस हम चाहते तुम करो I think that is very there's a lot of respect in that and that's very self-assuring so I was very happy and grateful और मैं तो हाँ ही बोलना था
I'm sure.
पहली बार कोई बोल रहा है कुछ कर लो सीधा तुम मना क्यों करोगे
और वो भी इस लेवल का
हाँ and it's turned out really well because of course I think the kudos to the whole team I think everyone's done a very good job and I feel that it'll speak for itself rather than me saying anything.
I began my career, I began my career with a person called Dev Saab Devanand.
Absolutely.
So when I was taken into the industry, I already was working with people of that standard. And then I was mentored by Mahesh Bhatt. Bhatt Saab has been a big mentor to me. And when you work with people like that, you set a standard of people that you're going to work with in the future.
Yes.
So anybody below those standards is somebody that you say no to. I mean, I'm sorry to say that, but you want to be a part of any endeavor, any project because of the kind of people that you're going to be working with. So when I met Shubhoda for the first time in the office and I met Abhinav, I knew that I was going to be submitting myself and my career and this role to people who are going to be, you know, projecting me in the best possible way and the way that I would like to be projected. So I gave it all to Shubha sir and to Abhinav because of the way they brought the project together, the kind of concept that they believed in. You see, when you say that, you know, certain films are based on reality or certain films are based on real facts, this is one film that is based on real facts. See, when you say that a film is based on a real fact, it doesn't have to be a real story. It can be a real concept. It can be real, something to do with reality in life, something to do with a concept like Panchak. And then how do you carry that out? How do you make a story that revolves around that and creates that kind of impact with the audience that makes you feel, wow, I mean, this whole subject or this concept has been, you know, attempted with in the best possible way. And that's what I'd like to say about Shubhoda and Abhinav, that, and even sir, I mean, because, you know, visuals are very important. Obviously, the concept of film is audio and visual, right? Yeah. So when you're watching audio, along with the content that's being provided to the audience, and then you're watching it through a visual, I mean, the impact has to be 100%. And if two people are, narrating a concept to you and telling you that this is the concept and this is how it's going to be visualized, this is how it's going to look, then you know that you're in best hands. So I'd like to say that I was very privileged to, and you know, I was honored when they called me in and said that we want you to do the film. And I don't think we ever had any, you know, like discussion after that. It was just readings that we had in the office, and then I met the cast, and then I loved everybody. We just took to each other, and then, you know, it was like we went over there, and then, you know, शादी का जब माहौल होता है, अगर आप उसको acting भी कर रहे होते हैं, तो एक शादी का माहौल जो है वो subconsciously आपके, you know, as an actor, it just goes into your system. So we were actually, having a great wedding over there in Dehradun with the cast, while we were shooting, while we were not shooting, we were just kind of, having fun. And when we were on the sets doing serious scenes, we were actually doing serious scenes because we're getting into the characters. So it was a great experience, and I would, hands down, if they call me for work, I mean, Shubha sir and Abhinav, anytime, I'm hands down with them.
Lovely.
Any day, I'll submit myself to them.
Give it up for
Ma'am,
this
also,
team, of
for
course.
the music also, I'd like to mention the music is amazing. And the music in this film is so wonderfully, gelled with the whole concept that it needs some sort of recognition. And I'd like to call ma'am ahead and please,
Give it up for her, ladies and gentlemen.
I have taken the privilege to do that. I mean, I'm sorry, but I really want to mention about the music because it really, the songs really haunt me, and I really love the music so much. Yeah.
Karan sir, please.
इनफैक्ट मैं बताऊंगी कि हमारा जो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट म्यूज़िक पार्ट जो है राही ही इज़ नॉट हियर ही इज़ इन कश्मीर राही मी एंड करण विथ शुभोस इंस्ट्रक्शन ये वहाँ से इंस्ट्रक्शन आता था हम लोगों ने किया है एवरी टाइम कुछ बनाया नहीं हुआ ये वर्क ऑन इट इस फिर से करो तो इस तरह से था और सारा ब्रीफिंग हमें जो मिला उस हिसाब से हमने कोशिश की कि इसके म्यूज़िक करें हम लोग एंड आशा करती हूँ कि सबको अच्छा लगेगा एंड करण प्लीज़
is very unique because we had to, well, once you see the film, you will understand why it had to be perfect for this film because the acting is incredible. So we had to keep it at that level. So you all should just see it. You all
Was it
come
a
to-
challenge? Was it a
It-
challenge?
it
Because this is not
definitely-
a regular masala entertainer,
Exactly. That's the reason why. It is actually a big challenge because it's a horror film, but it has emotions in it. It has a lot of, I mean, there's family stuff going on, there's everything. So we have to cater to all the emotions, right? And keep the undertone of Panchak horror going on. So yeah, it's challenging, but it was fun.
If you ask me, कोई साइंस था इसके पीछे तो नहीं था. Let me be very honest. अच्छा लगा टाइटल, A Wedding Story. बात कर रहे थे, अभिनव ने बोला वेडिंग स्टोरी. कमाल है यार, शादी में बर्बादी बढ़िया लगता है. ठीक है. कोई साइंस नहीं था. There are times when you take intuitive calls. It was just an intuitive call. At the moment, it sounded nice. Good, let's go ahead, do it. Right? And then as we kind of started rolling on, अच्छा ही लगने लगा. मतलब एक इंट्रीग तो था कि आप कह रहे हो वेडिंग स्टोरी लेकिन है हॉरर. तो वो जो इंट्रीग था ना, दैट वाज आल्सो वर्किंग फॉर अस एंड दैट काइंड ऑफ ट्रिगर्ड अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आल्सो ऑल अराउंड लाइक यू आस्क्ड.
सी अगेन डिफ़िकल्टी कोई नहीं आई, बट जो आपका पहला पार्ट है सवाल का कि कल्चर और हॉरर को कैसे वो किया. सो अभी शुभदा ने एक कहानी आपको सुनाई थी भीष्म पितामह के बारे में. तो अगर आप कल्चरली देखेंगे तो जो भी कहानियाँ आप सुनेंगे वो आपको बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगेगी. और वो सारी चीज़ें कहीं ना कहीं डेथ, नक्षत्र और वो सारी चीज़ें जब मिला जुला के आती है तो एक्चुअली उससे आप हॉरर क्रिएट कर सकते हो. बिकॉज ये चीज़ें आपके कंट्रोल में नहीं है. टाइम इज़ नॉट इन योर कंट्रोल. नक्षत्र आपके कंट्रोल में नहीं है. तो वो अगर आपके अगेंस्ट काम करने लगें तो हाउ कुड यू स्टॉप इट. सो वो बैलेंस मुझे अपने आप मिल गया कि ये किसी के कंट्रोल में है ही नहीं. सो स्टोरी में, स्क्रिप्ट में वो सारी चीज़ें शुभदा ने बहुत अच्छे से पिरो रखी थी. I just want to, like, I just have to execute those things really well. कुछ चीज़ों पे हमारा डिस्कशन होता था, लाइक द क्रिमेटोरियम सीन, कि यार इसको बैलेंस रखना है थोड़ा, किसी की किसी के सेंटिमेंट हर्ट ना हो जाए. तो वी एक्चुअली केप्ट इट लाइक दैट कि हम किसी को किसी भी तरह से हानि, मतलब किसी के भी सेंटिमेंट्स को हानि नहीं पहुंचाना चाहते थे बस. बट ये चीज़ें बियॉन्ड कंट्रोल है. अगर ये बियॉन्ड कंट्रोल चली जाएगी तो ऐसा होता है. दैट वाज द आइडिया.
आई थिंक कल्चरली थोड़ा फ़र्क हो ही जाता है कहीं ना कहीं. सो बंगालीज में ये प्रैक्टिस शायद या तो है नहीं, इसलिए हम भुगत भी रहे हैं शायद आजकल बहुत. मानते नहीं है शायद, इसलिए बहुत भुगत रहे हैं. तो आई हैव नेवर हर्ड अबाउट इट. मैंने कभी सुना नहीं, बचपन में भी नहीं सुना और देखा भी नहीं होते हुए. और एल्स मे बी आई हैव बीन वेरी लकी टू हैव नॉट एक्सपीरियंस दिस अराउंड माई फ्रेंड्स एंड रिलेटिव्स. तो मुझे पता नहीं चला कभी, लेकिन ये हमेशा पता चला है. तो मेरा एक और इंट्रीग था सर, जब भी कभी मौत होती है किसी की, हमेशा मैंने देखा है घर वाले सबसे पहले पंडित जी से पूछते हैं वो मुहूर्त अपने चेक किया. हाँ तिथि, राइट. व्हेन डिड ही डाई और व्हेन डिड शी डाई. आई थिंक इट्स एक्सट्रीम. दैट question itself is the inspiration. Why is the tradition so serious about knowing what exact time someone passed away? मतलब क्या ही फ़र्क पड़ जाएगा 4 बजे 5 बजे, ठीक है, शाम को गए. हम तो ऐसा नहीं कहते ना कभी 5:26 को वो the death happened. So that was an inspiration for me to figure out why is it that Kala Harati, time devours everything that is born.
Okay, the first call that I received when I heard the name of the film, of course, A Wedding Story. I thought there is romance, there is drama for sure, but I was not expecting horror at all. And I remember going through the narration, I had I couldn't even blink, and I was like, is that even true? And forget Googling. My father is an ardent reader, and also he knows Gita, और उनके सारे अध्याय उनको ज़बानी याद है. तो मैंने जैसे ही पूछा तो उन्होंने बोला ये होता है, ऐसा कुछ मानने या जानने वाली बात नहीं है. You believe a square is a square, a circle is a circle, earth is round. Nobody is questioning all these things. So they're like, you can't question. I was like, ये तो बहुत ज़मानों से हो रहा है. So I remember that and how intrigued and curious I became over time over this topic. And I don't even want to say further. Something like that after the shoot happened in my family. I don't want to mention it, but it happens. And we were so busy in other things and we didn't even how इन्होंने बोला ना कि तिथि क्या थी वो भी नहीं पूछा. And when the second one happened, we got to know. So then we did puja and everything. But everything is fine, and my family actually didn't want to believe in, you don't want to question it, you don't want to ask, or you don't even expect something like that will happen. But when things go wrong, how do you make sense of what is real, what is not? How to question things and how to get answers that why me, or So I think it was quite a challenge going through that internal turmoil, that is it even real, or is it something that you are imagining, what will happen, because the family, and that each one of us became so thick. So knowing that and also finding associations in your from your real life, you find that connect, you find the love. But how do you think of the person that you love the most to die, right? So I think there is everything. There is romance, there is the cast, and I think Pilu ma'am is not here, but she played my mother. The father, Dadi is adorable. She calls me Preeti. Even now, she's like, hello, Preeti. Kya kar rahi hai? So that is a connect that as a cast and the crew that we had and we still have. And I genuinely want to say that the graph of what we went through and also what we read through, translating it on screen to finding it even on the edit, from seeing the transition after the music. I hope you guys really like it, but I genuinely enjoyed, and I because I went through it also, so I was going through various emotions, and I'm very glad that you asked this question. And thank you. I hope you guys enjoy the film.
So when it comes to the preparation, I feel there is for any character, one is the physical aspect and one is the mental aspect, how he thinks, how he approaches things in his life. My challenge to a certain extent here was I'm playing a Punjabi guy, and I was very particular that it shouldn't go over the board. वो ओवर नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि कई दफ़ा होता है कि स्पेशली व्हेन आई सी मराठी कैरेक्टर्स, वो जब कैरिकेचर हो जाता है ना, तो ऐसे दिल को लगता है कि नहीं यार, ऐसे कोई नहीं बोलता है. सो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू मेक श्योर दैट समथिंग लाइक दिस डजंट हैपन विद पंजाबी. Having said that, preparation, I feel it becomes very easy when your writer and your director, they are sorted. So it's like a platter आपको दी जाती है, and these are the things. वैसे ख़राब मत करना, बस ये हमने सब प्रिपेयर करके रखा है. So I guess because of a team like this, as an actor आपका जॉब बड़ा आसान हो जाता है. एंड व्हाट माय अब लाइक दूसरा सवाल था कि मेरा अप्रोच चेंज कैसे हुआ. आई फील आफ्टर एवरी प्रोजेक्ट यू लर्न सर्टन थिंग्स, and the best part of this profession is through the characters that you play you address your vulnerability. So जो भी किरदार आप निभाते हैं उसके बाद I guess as an individual deep down you are a changed individual, I feel.